To make cucumber sandwich pickle, you'll need a stainless steel preserving pan, a ladle and a funnel, some clean jam jars and new lids, ideally. The ideal time to make cucumber sandwich pickle is in September, when you're bringing in your onions and the last of your cucumbers. So you'll need about 5 large cucumbers. You can throw in a couple of courgettes if you haven't got enough cucumbers, and the tough skin variety work really well. No need to peel them. You'll also need a kilo of onions, peeled and then halved. You're going to chop these finely along with the cucumbers. You'll also need about 350 grams of sugar, 500 ml of distilled white malt vinegar, 4 teaspoons of mustard seeds, and a generous half teaspoon of ground cloves, and the same of turmeric. In addition, you need about 100 grams of salt. This is a recipe you make over 2 days, or you could start early morning and finish late night. The first night you need to wash your cucumbers, make sure all the spiky bits are off them, peel your onions and slice everything. I rough chop the cucumbers into quarters lengthways and do the same similar size with onions. Then I use a food processor to get nice finely sliced vegetables, but you could hand chop them quite easily. Once your cucumbers and onions are sliced, you need to mix in about 100 grams of sea salt. This doesn't have to be terribly accurate, you just need to make sure it's well salted. This salt is going in to draw the water out of the vegetables, and we're going to wash it out in the next stage. Next, we're going to put a plate over the top of the vegetables and a heavy weight. I like to use a pudding basin and maybe this is popping corn that I've used in a jar. Then cover it with a tea towel and leave it overnight. After you've left your salt in your vegetables for about 12 hours or longer, you'll find that a lot of the liquid will be released from the vegetables. So the next stage is to drain this liquid off, then run them through with some cold water and drain them really well. You want to get rid of as much liquid out of this mixture as you can. Now's the moment to pop your clean washed jam jars into the oven on a low heat to warm. Next, add 350 grams of granulated sugar and 500 ml of distilled malt vinegar into your pan. Into this mixture add half a teaspoon of ground cloves, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric and 4 teaspoons of mustard seeds. This mixture needs to be gently heated to dissolve the sugar and then brought to a rapid boil. When the mixture is boiling rapidly, add your vegetables and bring back to the boil for a minute. Next, use a slotted spoon or carefully put your pickles into the jars, leaving the liquid behind in the pan. Next, return the liquid to the stove and boil for 15 minutes to reduce it down. It won't matter if there's a few little bits of pickle in there. Finally, divide the liquid amongst your jars, making sure that your pickle is completely covered. Seal tightly and leave to cool. Finally, label your pickle with a date. It'll keep fine for about 3 years if you leave it in a dark cupboard.